Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, and this is very controversial, but I'm going to show you how I do the pre-bake for my baby back ribs. So I've got a greased casserole dish, and that's because once I finish the pre-bake, there shouldn't be as much stuff stuck to the casserole dish, make it easier to clean. Just get a cola, it doesn't matter what brand, I just got the cheapest stuff I could get. I'm going to drench the ribs. I used about half a can. I drank half and then put the other half in there. The next thing you want to do is get a barbecue rub, and you're going to give it a generous coating. And you can find all of this linked within this video's description, but you just want to have this on for the pre-bake, so you're really going to penetrate the ribs with that good barbecue seasoning flavor. So we got that there, good generous coating of that. Now this is what really makes makes or breaks it. We've got some freshly chopped onion, and could have done a better job chopping it. And we've also got freshly chopped garlic in there. So just get a good coating of that, because as this pre-bakes, the onion, the fresh garlic, the barbecue salt, it's just really going to give it a good flavor profile. And ultimately I'm going to finish these on the grill, so you got to check out my second video where I show you after the pre-bake. But what the pre-bake does, it tenderizes the ribs, and a lot of competitive barbecuers would disagree with this process, but it tenderizes the ribs while concurrently penetrating them with flavor. So you're getting them ready for your, and I'm just going to do them on a Weber grill today with some hickory. But you're getting them ready for that finishing step. But part of that pre-bake is not just the moisture control. It's not just the penetrating it with flavor, but it's the enhancing. It's enhancing the flavor. And as I said multiple times, I'll say again, your competitive barbecue chefs will probably disagree with this process, but I challenge you to try this process, serve the ribs to friends or family, and get their honest opinion. Just tell them, hey, you won't offend me, what do you think? And I'm willing to speculate that they're probably going to come back and say, man, those are the best ribs I've ever had. What's your secret? And if they say that, you can be like, well, check out Chef IrixGuy on YouTube, youtube.com/IrixGuy. Show them this video and say, hey, watch that. He's got everything linked within that video's description. Feel free to follow the same procedure, and and maybe you'll achieve the same results. So this pre-bake, the way this is going to work, I'm going to do them pre-bake for about 3 hours at 250 degrees. So we got that on there, and we're going to cover this up, tightly covered with aluminum foil. Make sure it's good and tight. So they're tightly covered with aluminum foil. I've got my oven ready at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Depending upon your altitude, it may be a little bit different, but you're not trying to cook them during this pre-bake process. You're cooking them a little bit, obviously, but what you're trying to do is penetrate them with flavor, tenderize, and then that way when you put them on your grill with your charcoal and hickory, it's just you're gonna check that out. Subscribe, check out my second video, and that's going to be after I pre-bake these at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 hours. Thanks for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe and ring that bell to be notified whenever I post another video, and expand this video's description, and then click the links there to find the various stuff that I'm using to prepare these ribs. These are baby back ribs, but you could use a similar procedure for spare ribs. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.